we're going to try 3 more times right here. So multiply the first and last term. In this case, 2 times 2 is 4. So if we're thinking of our factors of 4, it's 1 and 4, or 2 and 2. We need a set with a sum of b. So which set adds up to 5? The 4 and 1. And it doesn't matter which one you put first because they're both plus. So we could say y plus 1 times y plus 4. The only other new step is we try to divide it by the number in front. We're going to try to divide them by 2. Now, if we did that here, 1 over 2, you can't simplify the fraction 1/2 at all. So you just take the denominator and you bring it to the front. It becomes 2y plus 1. Now, in the second set of parentheses, you have 4 divided by 2. If you simplified 4 divided by 2, it would just be 2. Like 2 over 1, but you don't even write the 1. So it would just be y plus 2. And that is it. We didn't have to kick the 1 to the front because 1y is just y, so it wouldn't have made a difference. Now we're going to throw in a couple negatives, which we practiced. Still same first step. Multiply the first and last term. 6 times 7 is 42, and it's positive, which means they both have to be the same symbol. So if we're thinking factors of 42, which we just did 42, it was 1 times 42, 2 times 21, 3 times 14, or 6 times 7. We need a set that adds up to 23, which would be 2 and 21. The only difference is they add up to negative 23. So they would have to both be negative, right? A negative times negative gives you positive, but a negative plus a negative is still negative. So we'll say n minus 2 times n minus 21. Wow, this is almost verbatim what we just did. We have to try to divide them by the number in front, the 6. Simplify your fraction if you can. 2 over 6 reduces to 1/3, and then we'll bring the 3 to the front. 21 over 6, they're both divisible by 3. So this would be 7 over 2, and then we'll bring the 2 to the front. So 3n minus 1, 2n minus 7. And remember, if you put them in the other order, the 2n minus 7 would be first, the 3n minus 1 would be second. That's fine. That's fine, dudes. Last one. 2 times 2 is 4. We have the factors of 4 over here on A. We need a set that adds up to 5 again, but this time negative 5. So they'd have to both be negative. Y minus 1, y minus 4. We'll try to divide them by the 2 because the 2 is in front. This one, can't simplify 1/2, so the 2 gets kicked to the front. 2y minus 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Very similar to A, except the signs just changed. We're just messing with the signs.